After 3 months waiting, it's finally here, the X600 from Soundcore. So many people have talked about the speaker. Many people have said it is the best speaker of this year. And I will be trying to be honest as possible. I will also not be paid by anybody, also not some big billionaire that's buying every social media or any other person. So yeah, this is also a reason why I decided to keep it in the packaging, so I can really show you guys how it is to unpack the speaker. And afterwards we'll do some audio sampling, of course, and my first impression about the speaker. So yeah, Soundcore had some issues with replying on my emails in the last months, and yeah, then they finally wanted to deliver the speaker. The first two somehow were not delivered. The first time I wasn't home. It can happen, but then at least leave a paper. So DHL didn't do that. And the second time I really tried to get the speaker, so I even drove to the depot where the speaker was lying, and one day later somehow they returned the speaker again. So the third one, it finally has arrived, and let's see how it looks. So yeah, as with other Soundcore speakers, the packaging is decent, it's pretty strong looking. So this speaker is very much hyped about the spatial audio. There are some creators that are pretty big, a lot bigger than me, for example, that call this speaker the best speaker of this year. So I've seen a lot of speakers that are very great this year, for example even from UB, but also from other brands like Miva or TroneSmart. So calling it the best speaker is a pretty big statement, and not even me, but even like Alan Rosk was like really bashing them all around. So I do hope he is not bashing around about me. So the packaging does look pretty decent, and yeah, let's just take a look inside, how I will open it up. Honestly, I haven't seen any unboxings of this speaker. Yeah, I have seen some reviews of others, but I decided to not look how it's packed. So I'm pretty curious how it will go open. I do think it's a bit like this. Yeah, there it is. So I have the blue one, or turquoise one. It's very light blue. So inside we have the manual and charging cable. That's it, I believe. Yeah, so pretty basic actually. No like casing or other cables or anything included. So that was the unpacking. So let's go. No, just kidding. But yeah, the packaging is pretty decent build, but there's not a lot included. So first impression about the speaker, let's see. It does look pretty cool, very well built. And I did expect it to be a bit bigger actually. It does look a bit small in hands, so I did expect it to be a bit bigger, but it is very heavy actually. So a lot of creators have talked about this fifth driver being very great, very special, and they talk about the spatial audio. So let's get a few things straight about spatial audio and Bluetooth. It actually doesn't really work together, because Bluetooth codec only has stereo support, so spatial audio is actually meant more for surround sound or songs that have different elements that have been recorded a bit behind you, for example, or in front of you. So even though you can try to make some spatial audio, like a lot of speakers are trying to do with Bluetooth, you do have still limitations of two channels, from the left and the right channel. And they have some separation into the recording with most songs, but yeah, do keep in mind, stereo is stereo. It's not like 5.1 or 7.1 or even Dolby Atmos or DTS:X. So there's also a reason why this spatial audio on the speaker, some say it's great and some say it's okay. But yeah, I will now just connect it with my phone, so I can see myself how the speaker is performing and if the hype of the big creators is real. I know some will be complaining about my video already, I know, because yeah, if I'm saying something bad about a brand or something that's not extremely good about the brand, sometimes people really get angry on me. So yeah, without further ado, let's just go to some audio samples of this speaker. Again, it does look pretty cool. after some audio testing, I definitely say a few things about the speaker. So the spatial audio, I can say two things about it. First, it does work, but the second, it's not how I even imagined it would be. So I hoped it would be really like giving you some kind of idea that you have some sounds around you, but for me it's just more like a wider stereo booster. So this means that like when I turn this on, the spatial audio, then the highs, let's just say the overall high frequencies, but also like a little bit of the mids are more boosted on the upper speaker. And again, don't get me wrong, I will not say it's bad, but it's also not great. It's really difficult to say what I think about it, because spatial audio on stereo is always a bit of a gimmick sometimes. And on this speaker I can agree a bit. And I do think that if you don't use the spatial audio, even also not using the bass mode, the audio is pretty decent actually. Really, it's just that Soundcore feeling as soon as you turn off the spatial audio. So it's not a bad speaker. It really sounds great on normal EQs and without the spatial audio. Again, there are some creators that call this speaker great on the spatial audio, and I can definitely not agree with them. It's a cool function to have if you really want to have a little bit more of a wider audio stage. If you are like, for example, in a bigger room with some friends, it does give you a bit more wider audio, but I would not call it spatial. They could have better call it maybe wide stereo mode, because it does sound a bit wider, so you can use it in a bit bigger room. But don't be surprised about the bass performance, because it's not like filling the room at the same level. Again, not a bad speaker, really. It's pretty fine speaker, especially for Soundcore. Its build quality is really on top. But this spatial audio, I'm not sure if they should have done it on a speaker. Some say yes, some say no. I'm a bit in the middle of it. They could also maybe just like angled the tweeters and the drives a bit different in housing to get a similar effect. Again, this was the first impressions, so there will be a lot more videos and comparisons with the speaker, but this is it for now. Hope you guys enjoy this. Also thanks again to Soundcore, at least providing the speaker, because it is not easy to buy everything for yourself. Again, cool speaker.